I'm often asked how to find a shoe that you can work in all day, what feels good, and I brought some shoes with me today and we're going to look at that. The ideal shoe is one that you can wear all day, and at the end of the day your feet do not feel fatigued and you avoid pain. Look for a shoe that has good support from the heel all the way to the ball of the foot. We want to look for a shoe that fits the contours of your feet very well so that your foot weight is distributed through the whole foot and not through pressure points. We also need sufficient room for your forefoot to spread out. We also want to see some form of a strapping system for that shoe to where the heel is anchored to the back of your shoe. Here is a great test to run on a shoe. I'm grabbing the heel, I'm grabbing the forefoot, and I'm pulling apart and trying to bend it through the arch. If it gives me a lot of rigidity there and it's tough to bend, then it passes that part of my test. My next test, does it bend easily through the ball of the foot? I also like to make sure it passes my heel rigidity test. Is it rigid as I begin to move the heel counter back and forth? If the shoe passes all these preliminary tests, then I'm ready to try it on. At that point, I want to make sure it's comfortable. It offers my foot the kind of cushion that it needs. And if I'm happy with that, then I'm ready to make my purchase. Hopefully those tips will help you find a better selection of shoes and that you're comfortable.